Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll show you how to make a GIF, your wallpaper on Windows, so you can give your desktop a fun and animated look. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for a free app called Lively Wallpaper. This app allows you to use videos and GIFs as live wallpapers, making it essential for this process. Step 2. Click on Get to download and install Lively Wallpaper automatically. Wait and wait. It takes time to finish this task. Once installed, open it from the Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut. Step 3. Inside Lively Wallpaper, click on Add Wallpaper at the top right corner. This option opens File Explorer so you can choose the GIF you want to use as your wallpaper. Step 4. Browse your computer and select the GIF file you want, then click Open or OK. The selected GIF will be added to the wallpaper library inside the app. Step 5. Click on the GIF preview and select Set Wallpaper. This applies the animated GIF to your desktop background instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.